Hi, so today we're going to do a quick test to explain how to use a, an and the. Have a look at question number 1. All you have to do is choose the correct answer. Is it a, an, the or nothing?
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
A means one, so use it when you're talking about one thing. One thing of many.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
But an also means one thing. But use it when the noun, the next word, begins with a vowel sound. Remember our 5 vowel sounds in English: A, E, I, O, U.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
But one thing to remember is don't use an when the word is written with a vowel letter but pronounced with a consonant sound. A consonant is not a vowel. University begins with the letter U. That is a vowel, but we say a university, not an university, because the U makes a U sound. Y-O-O, you can think about it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We say a used car. We say a euro.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And we also say that number is a 1. You can see that the letter O there is making a W sound, so we don't use an for any of those.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Take a word like hour, H-O-U-R. It begins with a consonant letter, but it's pronounced like a vowel sound. Hour.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
An honours degree.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
An SLR camera.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You don't want to get an F grade in English.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Don't use at or an with plural words. There are pens on the table. There are apples in the kitchen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Don't use at or an with uncountable nouns. I need help.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Use the when it's clear what thing you are talking about. Close the door. Can I go to the toilet, please?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
When telling a story, use a the first time you refer to something, and then use the every other time that you talk about the same thing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I saw a cat. The cat was black. The cat's name was Tiddles.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Use the when you're talking about unique things. Unique means there's only one of them. The sun sets in the west.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Bangkok is the capital of Thailand.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You shouldn't say I had a breakfast. You should really say I had breakfast.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Use the for services or places that you visit often. So I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you learned something as well. If you did, I think you know what to do. Give it a like. And if you really want to help out, subscribe to the channel. So have a great day, everyone. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.